13 amazing car gadgets on Amazon. Get the feeling of starting a jet with this gadget. Or what about this gadget that communicates driver feedback safely and hilariously? Well, that's not all, because in today's video, we have interesting car gadgets for you. Make sure you stick around. Seichai Bluetooth Home Button. Never let your phone be out of reach by bringing the Seichai Bluetooth Home Button to your life. You can attach it to your keychain, steering wheel, or dashboard, and always have access to your phone when it's out of reach safely and conveniently. So if you need Siri while you're driving, the button gives you access with a simple press. The same goes for accessing services like Google Voice Search. Ask for messages and directions, make calls, and a lot more without even touching your phone for once. Use Bluetooth to pair the button with your smartphone and let it take access from there on. A must-have car accessory to help you drive safely without getting distracted easily. Panasonic Automotive Nano EX Portable Air Purifier. Ensure the air in your car's cabin is clean and healthy with the Panasonic Automotive Nano EX Portable Air Purifier. Its patented Nano EX technology employs hydroxyl radicals to inhibit harmful substances and reduce odor intensity. Specifically, this car gadget increases the process of producing hydroxyl radicals for next-gen in-cabin air cleaning. Meanwhile, it's certified by the California Air Resource Board and ULL. What's more, the Nano EX is easy to use and offers simple operation and activation. Blue Driver ABI Scan Tool. Developed by professional engineers in North America, the Blue Driver is a professional diagnostic scan tool trusted by mechanics. It is an officially licensed and certified product to use for Apple and Android devices. Both the app and the sensor work together in order to ensure you get the best quality expected from them. It's got the efficiencies of handheld scan tools, as well as the benefits of having a smartphone or a tablet serving the purpose. Reading codes when the check engine light comes on will become crystal clear when you use this tool. JRCL10 Car Charger. Mini compact design doesn't take up much space in your car, and it is very practical. This car charger is equipped with LED light, making it easy to see it in the dark and recharge your device quickly. With an intelligent chip, the car charger regulates power and voltage for your devices. Charge up to 2 devices while you are traveling using this powerful car charger. Jorum JRCL10 Mini Car Charger with LED light. 2 USB ports for charging up to 2 devices at the same time. Jet Comfy Best Travel Pillow Ever. It's the evolution of the travel pillow. Real support for your head and neck with 16 built-in, high-tech features. We studied every so-called comfort pillow on the market, and what they are all missing is the ability to support your head. We aim to mimic a natural resting pose while taking weight off your spine and neck. We also pack the comfort of your bedroom into something the size of your hand. It fits easily into your purse and carry-on. It's lightweight, compact, and fully adjustable, height, swivel, and tilt to your needs. Soft Alert Safety Kit. While you never know when disaster may hit, you can always protect you and your family with Soft Alert. Emergency stops and flat tires happen, so be prepared for any possible accident with the Soft Alert Road Safety Kit. A complete kit that dramatically enhances safety by increasing visibility and comfort while changing a tire or during an emergency stop. It is estimated that every year over 4,000 pedestrians are killed and over 69,000 are injured in traffic accidents in the United States. Many are killed while changing a flat tire during low visibility conditions. Tread Pro Off-Road Vehicle Recovery Device. Tread Pro is the world's most advanced and highly engineered all-in-one off-road vehicle recovery device, specially designed to get your four-wheel drive, ATV, and equipment out of trouble when traction is lost in sand, mud, or snow. Tread Pro is the next generation of the already hugely successful Tread off-road recovery device, which is the world's largest selling brand in the category. Engineered and manufactured in Australia, Tread Pro will outperform any other traction aid in the market. Tread Pro will allow you to explore with confidence, without letting traction disrupt your journey. Wayland's a data-driven automotive camera system. Capture and share the most exhilarating moments of your drive with Wayland's, a data-drive automotive camera system. Enabled with a Bluetooth connection working directly with your car's computer, this smart camera uses multiple sensors to detect and record interesting moments from your drive, giving you feedback about data under the hood and on the road, such as RPM, MPH, and more. The camera and app are intelligent enough to sift through data and identify excitement, such as fastest 0 to 60 or highest G-force. The sleek and modern high-performance camera attaches to your windshield and suits and interior design. 67D cable clip for JK mount carbon fiber arm. Make your Jeep or Wrangler a safe and fun ride with the JK mount TM from 67 Designs. Created for navigation with the Maps app and especially hands-free with Siri R. Specifically designed for the 20,122,016 JK 2 and 4-door Wranglers, this JK mount system uses a custom molded base that is quickly installed in the recess in the dash. No drilling is required. Simply attach the carbon fiber bar, and the included holder design for the Apple iPhone 6/6 is when using the official Apple silicone or leather phone case on the phone. Other holders for different cases or devices like iPads and Android devices are also available but sold separately. The CF Carbon Fiber Series JK mount helps keep the phone back from the windshield yet accessible, visible, and usable. Jebsen's CA02 Magnetic Smartphone Car Mount. Keep your smartphone handy in the car with no hands at all by using the Jebsen's CA02 Magnetic Smartphone Car Mount. This reinforced magnetic holder has an intense attraction that can hold any smartphone in place. The high-quality rubber base can effortlessly handle bumps and vibrations on the road while keeping your phone steady. Rather than obstruct your view, the Jebsen's CA02 sits neatly in the air vent. The cradle-free holding is super simple to use. Just attach it to the vent and it will hold your phone. Cup holder swivel tray. Carrying your lunch on your lap inside the car will be gone forever once you install this cup holder swivel tray. Your food will always stay in place and not slide all around. You can always swivel the tray towards the passenger side whenever you don't require it while driving. The tray attaches to the car's cup holder and keeps everything at your fingertips. This could be a pen and paper, food, a mobile phone, and a lot more. You can raise or lower the tray depending on your preference, with the non-skid surface ensuring that the items don't slide off from time to time. A car accessory your four-wheeler cannot do without. Flick Original Middle Finger Light. With the click of a button, you can communicate driver feedback safely and hilariously. The flick replaces dangerous driver communication like brake checking, yelling, etc. Amber yellow and non-flashing lights make the flick legal in most U.S. states. The first car and truck accessory that helps diffuse road rage while making driving fun. The flick light automatically adjusts to be bright during the day and dim at night. The perfect funny gift for those with road rage and who love cool car electronics. Car Start Button Spin Cover. Push Start Button Spin Cover suitable for 90% one key to start cars and also suitable for some motorcycles. Before ordering, please make sure the size of the Start-Stop button. No modifications and no drill. You can stick the adhesive tape, included peel and stick on the back of the Auto Start button cover to finish the installation, conveniently and simply, which will not break the original surface of the car engine start button. This engine Start-Stop Spin button is made of high-quality zinc alloy, scratch-resistant and durable. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day and I will see you in the next video.